Good morning, it's Randy's breakfast again. Sorry to always barge into your life like this, but this is amazing. My mother made me some
Oatmeal.
steel oats.
Steel cut oats.
Steel cut. What is steel cut oats?
When they farm the when they process the when they farm the oats, they put it in a process where it does not go through the refined process, and they cut it in little grains. So steel cut oats is a grain.
So, how is this different from the oats in Jamaica?
The oats in Jamaica is processed.
Is it processed?
Yeah.
Is it made in Jamaica?
No, I think it's imported. Jamaica don't produce oats.
So, we've been eating processed oats in Jamaica?
Yes, lots of processed food, but if we get the food from most of the food that we get from foreign, they are processed food.
Okay, Jamaicans. All right. So better we grow the cornmeal in Jamaica and beat it in a mortar ourselves.
Make the corn. We can make the hamini.
So the Jamaican corn must be.
But then they can't use imported corn. They have to use it.
So the Jamaican corn then is not processed. It's probably just...
No, not the corn seeds that they buy from foreign. The original corn that we grew up with in the 50s is non-GMO. The corn they get in now is modified. The DNA in it is modified and it affects the human DNA.
Tell me about the salt. You have a special salt too.
Oh, the salt is the Himalayan salt from the Himalayan.
You have a Himalayan salt?
Which has no aluminum in it.
It's called pink salt?
The Himalayan salt is naturally pink and it has no aluminum in it. The fine salt that we use in Jamaica has aluminum, which affects the men's prostate.
Really?
So what Jamaicans supposed to use is the coarse salt where you get from the sea that we used to use and make pig food. That's the real salt that we're supposed to use.
So now, where did you get that information? About the aluminum?
Research. And if you look on the salt can, the refined salt, you see where it says aluminum.
Okay. Wow. All right, so the breakfast I'm having, guys, I'm going to have some eggs with, normally I don't eat eggs, but... Organic egg. What's this here you have in there?
That's the green juice it's made with. It's made with cilantro, parsley, kale, collard greens, dandelion, and celery. This green juice is to cleanse the body, and it's very good for the eye and the system.
What you have in the tea?
The tea is cirrhosis and basil.
By the way, that's my bad butter. My mother said don't eat that butter. But tell me again, what you have in the tea?
Sweet basil that we grow wild in Jamaica, but we have the sweet one here. And the cirrhosis and lemongrass here, which we call fever grass. So you just boil them, make your tea. And the best thing to use is molasses instead of sugar.
Organic molasses?
No, unsulphured blackstrap molasses, the molasses that is not sulfured. You normally get that from Barbados and Trinidad.
Really? So you do a research on everything you consume?
Things come to me and then you research it. And a tablespoon of molasses for the ladies and the male gives you 600 milligrams of potassium that you need daily. And when you wake up, you're supposed to eat one ripe banana half an hour before you eat anything else, which helps your body.
I thought it was some water with a drip of lemon to clear things first.
You can do either.
Okay. So this is steel cut. Did you sweet anything with this?
Well, I put a little brown sugar for you.
Brown sugar?
For me, I don't put... For me, I
Why
don't
you never
use
put
sugar.
honey? Raw honey?
For me, I don't use... Because I run out of raw honey.
Okay.
For me, I don't use sugar. I use flaxseed. The thing that we call... back home, we call it... I forget what we call flaxseed back home. But the flaxseed now, you grind it and you mix it with your oats. You don't need any real sugar in there. Put some nutmeg, which is good for you, and vanilla, and you're good.
And a piece of cinnamon leaf.
Well, you have to boil the cinnamon with it. By the way, if you add cinnamon, the oatmeal removes cholesterol from your body. And the cinnamon lowers your blood sugar. So you want to boil your oatmeal with the cinnamon.
Wow. All right, well, this is Randy breakfast. My mouth full of bread and butter. I like bread and butter with porridge. This is my mom, hi, my mom, part 2. Look out for part 3. I'm trying to get to 93 or 98 before my dead.
No, but by the way, you're not supposed, the oatmeal is enough starch. You're not supposed to eat no bread with your oatmeal or your porridge.
You guys hear that
It's
for
enough-
next time, but for
enough
this
starch.
time, I don't eat my bread.
Okay.
Sooner or later. Thanks, Mom. Welcome, family. Right now, I'll give you something from Mommy's kitchen. What's this going on? Explain this to my mommy.
We have pumpkin. It have it's high in fiber. Very good for the eyes. Chocho high, good for the eyes, good for the pressure. Brussels sprouts, steam for only 5 minutes, and that is good to reduce the cholesterol. And that is curry pargi. Pargi comes straight from the sea, not frozen, and without pesticide or chemical.
Wow, you're really serious about every single part of this meal. Who inspired to eat the chocho sauce without putting it in soup?
Well, my sister,
She said clear up her eyes.
they help to clear up our eyes, the chocho and the pumpkin.
Okay.
And the Brussels sprouts, you steam it for 5 minutes, and that helps with reducing cholesterol.
No, the fish. What do you have seasoning on it? What do you have on it?
Oh, I curry it. I don't use the only thing I use on it is curry, garlic powder, not garlic salt. And that's it. Then I cut onion and beet and garlic powder. Onion and garlic powder and curry.
Wicked. Precious something like me see have a juice. What you have juice on your too?
Okay, here's the juice. This is Swiss chard that reduces
Swiss chard?
which reduces your blood sugar immediately.
Yeah.
This is cilantro. 1 cup chopper. This you eat it remove mercury from your body immediately. This is purple kale, high in antioxidant for your eye and for your system. This is parsley, which is high in iron, very good for the heart. So this is all that is making up this drink.
So you drink a green juice every day?
You're supposed to drink a green juice every day to clean your body. It's the plant blood. So what the plant blood does is clean your body. So instead of buying processed things and drink it, you can, if you put it through a juicer, you get the straight plant blood, but you can add some filtered water, not tap water, not
rainwater.
well. If you catch, you have to let the rain fall long and then you catch the
Really,
water
Ma?
after.
You really gotta put rainwater in your juice?
No, not rainwater in America. Rainwater in the Caribbean.
And what does the rainwater have in there? God come from the sky?
No, because in America there's too much pollution in the air. So if you catch the water in Jamaica or Trinidad or Guyana,
Just
it's
ship it
cleaner
home.
because the rainwater is purified by the forestry. And so we must make sure we maintain the forestry and don't let the government cut them down.
Alright,
and
let's
sell them to
stay
court.
on top, because we don't want to get to the politician right now, politicking. We're talking about the green. The green you look nice. What name again?
Swiss chard, very
How much you
good.
pay for this?
We'd have to go check the
Swiss
review.
chard.
Mhm.
Them not grow this in Jamaica.
Well, we can get the seeds to Jamaica, but I grow it here.
You grow this yourself.
Mhm.
Did you reap this one or you purchased this one?
Purchase this one. It's not.
And this right here is
is the cilantro.
cilantro, and this here is
Purple kale.
purple kale. So this is your green juice for the
And
day.
this is
You put sugar in the green
cilantro.
juice or honey,
No,
nothing, just green.
No, green juice. You can put apple in there, and I put blueberries.
How old are
and
you?
apple. How old am I?
Mhm.
I'm almost 66 years old.
So you say you want to talk about your locks next show?
Yeah, I'm going to teach them how to take care of them laps and come off of the fall seal.
Okay, so you're gonna set Jamaican woman straight.
Yeah.
In her health and everything.
Yeah, man.
Alright, Jamaican ladies and men. So my mother, it's a privilege. She said she won't go up on my show now, but I have to convince her. So it's a good thing to teach the people. And thank you so much for your time. This looks great. What are we going to do tomorrow? What do you think you're going to make up for them?
Tomorrow I'm going to work.
Alright, thank you. Anything you want to say to bless them for the end?
Well, just blessing, just realize that Psalm 19 said the earth is the Lord. So the heavens declare the glory of God. So all them greens and all them things is God's glory. So when you see them, you see the glory of God.
Wow, mommy, you're big time, Greens lady. Blessings and love. Family on a lucky, so me do this one on a lucky. Love. What you have? You go ahead, you go ahead.
Cornmeal porridge. Small. I had that yesterday.
Yeah.
Actually.
That's it?
And one dumpling.
Yeah, but listen now, how you doing? How everything? You miss me?
I was wondering why you were up to talk. You went back to...
No, I didn't sleep. I've been sleeping. No, I've been sleeping. What a food, beautiful. I think I'm gonna get let me get a small food. One dumpling come, I feel a little weak. And some banana.
One dumpling?
Yeah. And some food and some white jam and thing. And right, everything's so pretty, man. I don't even know what to do now. It's like Christmas right now. So how you been? Give God thanks. Alright, I can get some carno and some saltfish. Set me up. Set me up. Yes. It's a beautiful Jamaican life right now. You didn't put a picture of sweet potato in there for me? Yeah. Give thanks. So everything good with you? Yeah. Don't complain, no can't complain. Don't complain. Jamaica.com. Right now, me take a taxi with Kapachi in there, Brooklyn. Kapachi, tell the people about Brooklyn. What them know how long you're there, give them the lowdown.
Well, you know, me there like 10 years ago now, October I go make that. And the hardest country me ever come in.
Kapachi, why not buy a house yet? Or you not rich yet?
Oh, I'm not rich yet?
Yeah.
Too much bills in New York. I feel like if I'm there in Florida, I'm rich already.
New York, 10 years?
Yeah, New York, 10 full years.
Rough.
October I come. Rough.
Family?
Walk power face, 2 daughters. Married 10 years now, I come August.
You have 2 youth?
Mm-hmm.
You still with the wife?
Nah.
Oh boy. How often you go to Jamaica?
How often?
Yeah.
Good while now.
So what a job you've had for 10 years?
Me? Whole heap of job. We do construction, I do kitchen, I do wash, maintenance, whole heap of job.
What you tell Jamaicans where I come off far in New York? What you tell it? What the real deal? Tell them what the real deal.
What the real deal? Well, the real deal in America, you know, is family. And when I come to America, it's a family thing. I say, I build Cosby life, I live boy. But then again, it go ups and down in a Bill Cosby world. But not tell you, hell of a thing, my lord. But right now, we give thanks enough for everything what we have, because life is dear.
Mm-hmm.
You feel me?
What's the plan for Jamaica? You plan for ship out and where you going to build in Jamaica?
My plan is in Jamaica is I have a little piece of land in already.
Yeah.
I just want to build it up, but America, me I live.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You know, go back home.
Visit.
For visit?
Only for visit. Square like Delaware, man.
What you said to me? You don't want to play some domino, eat some nice coconut.
So I'm going to play domino, you said to man.
So when
high grade.
when a foreign would you live?
Where in foreign we live?
Would you live?
Would me, well, if I'm come America, New York, I live, you know.
Mm-hmm.
But I go places, you know. I go Florida, I go Maryland. My mother live at Philly, my auntie live at Jersey.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going all of those places.
Mm-hmm.
Nowhere nice like New York. I don't know if me is a New Yorkie.
Yeah, you're a New York king.
New Yorkie.
Okay.
You see me?
Yeah.
Where you know with everything you're black.
Yeah, man, let's keep moving.
Me a New Yorkie, so it's like you come right there, so it's like I say you know everybody, you know if you make it, you know if you live right there, so you know if you eat a food right there, so
Yeah.
You feel me?
Kapachi, you're the real king, you know. Me say, oh yeah, drop the thing.
Yeah.
Keep hustling. Surround the and save Jamaica with Kapachi the king. Brooklyn.
Mad.
Go on savejamaica.com.
Yeah.
You're going to see the video up today.
Yeah.
The people are going to love you.
Yeah.
So make sure you comment. You have a Facebook or a Twitter or anything?
Yeah.
Where you have?
Me have Facebook, me have Instagram.
Give them your email.
Watch out, my email at kaparchi321@gmail.com. Check me out.
Spell that for me.
Kaparchi.
So if the man them want the real information, just link you.
Yeah.
Respect, son. Give thanks for keep it.
What's your name again?
Randy on the radio.
Rodney on the radio.
Or savejamaica.com.
rcfjamaica.com.
Give thanks.
Up. I want to say it's a Kapachi, the artist you deal with. I remember give them a preview.
Go on through.
Well, this a New York safety. Mess with a metropolitan, that a felony. Hey, and this a New York warning. Step away from the edge when the train is approaching. I me say drive with safety. Seatbelt 25 and cruise. Nobody drink and junk and go lose. Make sure TLC dey for your taxi. Nobody pissing at the road and make the cops see. Nobody do not steering when you're tipsy. The turnstile me a beg enough fi jumpy. Or else you will go pay the penalties. So no jaywalking anytime you're crossing. No phone texting anytime you're driving. The pedestrian get the high rating. I do safety me preach from the starting. When me say, this a New York law. Babylon no feel like you fi no one draw. Just the other day them legalize ganja. Watch out man. Watch out right there. No, so catch me out. Live. Up.
I saw you do it?
Yeah.
Me never know some man a big DJ.
Yeah man.
Give me your card, give me a number.
I come foreign, you know.
Yeah?
Me's a songwriter.
Give me a number, man, because the people are going to hear from you. You have to pull that up when the album come out.
You know, so I have a mixtape come April.
So I'm going to release it online because I'm wait for that. Yo, that was tough, my lord.
Yeah.
You can't party, so what you say? Tell them what you say again.
New York safety.
New York safety.
Check it out.
Close it. And a random meet them on the road. You say, Randy, my lord, I'm going to link you.
Manners,
respect.
Man. Up, man.
Artist. Big up. Jamaica, see that? We bring you live. Taxi man, Kapachi are the biggest DJ come out. Yeah, they might go viral.
Yeah, watch it out.
Respect. Give thanks.
Mixtape coming out. Well, this a New York safety. Mess with a metropolitan, that a felony. Hey, and this a New York warning. Step away from the edge when the train is approaching. I me say drive with safety. Seatbelt 25 and cruise. Nobody drink and junk and go lose. Make sure TLC dey for your taxi. Nobody pissing at the road and make the cops see. Nobody do not steering when you're tipsy. The turnstile me a beg enough fi jumpy. Or else you will go pay the penalties. So no jaywalking anytime you're crossing. No phone texting anytime you're driving. The pedestrian get the high rating. I do safety me preach from the starting. When me say, this a New York law. Babylon no feel like you fi no one draw. Just the other day them legalize ganja. Watch out man. Watch out right there. No, so catch me out. Live. Up.
I say it. What she do? She force me to eat chicken right now. Because she don't have no fish. You're supposed to eat. Your face not a pint. YouTube. Look at her. I come here every day. I said to her, where the fish there? They might kill Jamaican people. Alright. Not even supposed to eat. Give me a piece of the macaroni and cheese. And let me see. What kind of chicken this? I'm not supposed to eat them things there, you know. Where the fish there? Where the fish there? Alright, I'm going to touch the chicken. Alright, me.
This mac and cheese on you want?
What kind of chicken this?
Barbecue.
Oh, look, I have too much barbecue on it. All right, let me get the stewed chicken.
With mac and cheese?
Yes, please.
This one is just with mac and cheese in there.
All right, cool. Well, this is the last time I eat chicken, so I'm gonna have to see what me. All right, but Barasta Bridge them I tell me say, Randy, if we see you eat no more meat, we're gonna come for you.
You want gravy?
Yeah, man.
Want the mac and cheese too?
Yeah, man.
Baby?
Yes, please. Well, man, tell you the oxtail look good, you know. Chicken look good.
Not a small rice noodles and
Fried chicken look good, you know. Jamaican people. Boy, all right. Now celebrate, yeah. All right, let's have a stay with you.
Every day you're celebrating all
Every
this.
day I'm celebrating us. Jamaicans, this is my
Yeah, it's steamy.
macaroni and cheese. I'm not really fit eat this thing. My Rasta virgin inside.
Oh my word.
Randy, must cut off the meat in Randy. Cause them want for me to live for 90. The Rasta virgin them want me to live for 90 years. Cause them want me to continue the movement. So no more macaroni and cheese. And no more meat.
You alright? I need to call for you, right? It's not because in there so hot.
Okay. So Jamaican open it alright. Want to watch every single video. If you are a fan and you have watched every single video, want to add the number to WhatsApp, because JamaicaRadio.com, and you'll find the number and leave me a message. Randy, I have watched every single video. Give me a voicemail and then said to me, tell me which one is your favorite. Give thanks and blessings. Take care of your family. Okay.
Dumpling to eat with the codfish, the callaloo.
You're gonna put look, you have callaloo.
It's a whole dumpling.
Did you plant the callaloo?
Sure.
You're teaching Anais how to make dumplings?
Yep. She's Jamaican. She got to learn how to make dumplings.
Anais, is this your first dumpling making?
Yes.
How do you like it?
All right.
It
Look.
looks horrible.
Then you can do that. Then do that.
Did you wash your hands?
Yes.
All right. So and then when you make it into a ball.
A ball, Ma?
Mm-hmm.
Why are you making it into a ball?
To show Anais how to make a round dumpling.
Is that for frying?
No. Then what? You use a 2 thumb and you do this. Got it? And you, right. That's better? You got your dumpling now? Great.
Is it gonna be, why do they like to make it when it's really hard?
Because you can't fold the flour if it's hard. Good and nice. Ooh, yeah.
So that's your first dumpling experience.
All right.
Oh man.
All right, Anais.
All right.
Oh, good, Anais. Excellent.
This callaloo. Did you plant this callaloo?
Yes, I did.
So I'm here with my mother's kitchen people all over the world. These are her callaloo, and she's making dumpling. She's gonna come up to my house, and we're gonna do a cooking show for you guys. Stay tuned. Please send some likes, and remember to subscribe. Send it to your friends, and hit the bell when you subscribe. We love doing cultural videos and sharing information with you. How long does the callaloo... Whoa, a pat just fell. Whoa. How long does the callaloo take to grow?
The grow?
Mm-hmm.
You plant callaloo. It take like about 6 to 8 weeks. You grow the callaloo by 6 to 8 weeks. It's ready for reaping.
You'll see you have some pumpkin seeds here also. You plant pumpkin also. Well, guys, I'm going to give you a tour of my mother's garden. Do some cooking with her so you can learn some of her techniques. She keeps me healthy whenever I come over. She plants a lot of flowers. Are you looking forward to our show, Ma?
Yes, I am.
Nice. Let's take a look at that dumpling. Okay, that's good. That's really good.
Ball it
Great.
in.
You're pretty
Put
fast
in a ball.
now.
Put
That's
it in
pretty
a ball.
fast. Yeah.
Ball it and I want meat dumpling and I see how my ball is. So after you ball it like this, keep it neat. Then you push your finger down and make it, turn it and make it into a nice circle.
So we're having dumplings with callaloo and what else?
Codfish.
Codfish and what else? The pot with, this is what you have in here, codfish. You boil the codfish twice or once?
No, I actually soak the codfish. You actually can soak the codfish overnight.
It seems like you have something else over here.
Change the water. That's
What's that you have there?
that's sweet potato and plantain steaming.
Sweet potatoes. You steam it. Why don't you boil it?
No, it tastes better when it's steamed.
I see. What else is in this other pot here? You got some tea bush there. What kind of tea is that?
So I'm going to make you guys some cold mint.
Is it cold mint like a beverage?
Right.
Wow, we're gonna have a beverage today.
And down here you have the yellow yam underneath in the pot boiling.
All right, this is the real Jamaican authentic house.
Here you have yellow yam and cocoa.
Oh, you keep it at the bottom, you steam the one at the top. Now, what's the reason you steam it again? Why?
Because because they're soft. Natured, so when you steam it, you get the right texture.
Amazing, amazing. This is cooking with Randy and Mommy. We got dumplings, we got some callaloo for you, and we're going to drink some mint tea. You put
And the susumba.
and susumba. Oh, she grew her own susumba. She's a farmer. We're all farmers. I'm a farmer. I've been farming for a while.
That's farm food.
But I just film things of farming and I educate the people.
That's carrot that I planted.
And some carrots and stuff. So the next time we'll do another video, we'll get this thing going for you guys, alright? Hope you enjoy this video. Subscribe, share it with your friends, and please hit that bell when you subscribe. You'll receive an email when we do another video. Have a nice day. Lovely. We'll show you the dinner when it's done. Good Team World. This is one of my favorite things in the world, is susumba. I advise you, if you can grow it wherever you are, grow it. This heals the inside. When you eat it, it's bitter, it goes into your stomach, and it just runs everything out of your stomach that's not supposed to be there. It gets rid of it.
Excellent. Excellent. And
You need to make sure when you go to Jamaica or wherever you go, sometimes you find in Canada, susumba is really powerful, right? And you must eat this, let's say, as often as you can to clean you out. It takes care of your stomach, alright? If you get a cut, you rub it in there. And you can also just take the leaf and rub it up in there on the green stuff and wash your face with it. It's just kind of like an antibacterial. Don't eat it when it's ripe. Make it green. You must steam it with your callaloo and your fish and everything. Especially you're in Jamaica. Make sure you eat susumba as often as you can. All right. It's very healthy. It's very good for you. The leaves. You must just get a whole bunch of leaf. Take off the maca from it and just rub it up. And take the green thing and just rub it on your face. And it just kind of clean up your face and get rid of any toxic from your face and your body and your thing. Alright, so I'm going to deal with the bush people around the bush. And this one is a powerful one. So it's on and me eat it raw. More time for my gums. Again, if you have any challenges with your gums, you know, don't eat too much. Never do things in moderation. And you can blend it too, you know. So you must just chop some of this in the morning before you go to bed. Sometimes what I do, I keep it in my mouth overnight. And it deals with the bacteria, them is like Listerine. When the bacteria them see the susumba come, the bacteria say, yo, where you come from? Susumba, anything natural in nature will deal with the body naturally. A lot of people talk about healing and health and this and this and that. The body has a natural way of getting rid of the amount of what nature puts in it. It can create the balance. If you put too much coconut in your system,
too much mango, the body will get rid of it. The liver, everything will take care of it. It's a balance. Nature is a balance with you. And in most cases, whatever your body don't feel for, you're not going to eat it. So it's not really about going crazy with health. It's really about understanding that you just have to realize that your body will just get rid of stuff that it doesn't need. So eat your mango, your red potatoes, your susumba, your callaloo, cut back on the red meat, and we'll talk more about health. I'm going to call some of my brethren, then we'll talk more about health and stuff. In moderation, eat your chicken and your fish, different things. So we'll talk a lot about that stuff on the shows, but importantly, susumba. And then, if you pick them when them hard. When them hard, you must not use them. You have to pick them when them soft, right? When them hard, them lose them the bitterish power, right? You must make them, when them young, them bitter. Yeah, the bitter the better, right? So naturally, this is one of my most favorite thing in our life. I don't know, when I was growing up, mother used to cook it a lot. And I think this is what cleanses us out in Jamaica. And there's somebody on YouTube who not know much more than I do that will type in this video and tell you around this saying is foolishness. Other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Continue to subscribe to the video. I want you to hit the bell when you subscribe. Share it with your family and friends. And keep doing videos. Upload some videos and come and share it with me on the site. You're in Jamaica, upload some videos, man. Alright, let's spread this culture and heal the people. Alright, later.